Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful bohemian style macrame tea coaster, adding a touch of handmade to your coffee table. It's an easy project and perfect for beginners. It's simple yet elegant. Let's get started. For this project I'm using 5 mm macrame cord. We are going to make a tea coaster with a pattern like this. Here's what you will need to make this project. Macrame means knotting. In other words, macrame is the art of decorative knotting. We need 18 cords of 20 centimeter. So measure 20 centimeter on your measuring tape and cut 18 cords. Take a cord, fold it in half to form a loop. Place the loop over your wooden ring, then pull the two loose ends through the loop and tighten. This knot is called the Lurk's head knot. It's an essential knot in macrame. I'll show you one more time. Fold your card in half to form a loop. Place the loop over your wooden ring, then pull the two loose ends through the loop and tighten. To make sure it's tight, hold the ring in one hand and pull the cord. It will tighten. You can also add a drop of fabric glue. Just turn your wooden ring and place a dot of glue between the cord. Now let's untwist the cord to create fringe. Once you untwist the cord, it will look like this. Use a comb or a brush to straighten it out. Brush well to get it straight. Now let's trim the edges. I hope you enjoyed making this beautiful macrame tea coaster with me. If you try this project, let me know in the comments how it turned out. Now let's make aromatic spiced rose tea, and these are the ingredients we need. The ingredients I'm adding are for 4 cups. In a mortar and pestle, add all the ingredients except for the ginger. Crush them coarsely. Then add the ginger and crush again. In a saucepan, add water and milk in a 1:1 ratio, that is 1 cup of water and 1 cup of milk. 3 teaspoons of tea powder. Add the crushed spices along with the tea powder. In this I add the dried rose buds. If you have fresh roses, you can add those as well. Simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. I like my tea this way, light and flavorful. If you prefer it stronger, let it simmer for 1 more minute. To a teapot, I am adding 3 teaspoons of brown sugar. You add your preferred sweetener and strain the tea using a strainer. Serve hot and enjoy this warm spiced rose tea. Thank you for joining me today. If you try it out, let me know in the comments how you liked it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more cozy recipes and creative ideas. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy and happy sipping.